Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope that you stick around and subscribe for more. So by the title, you already know what we're doing. So let's go ahead and get started. Since we are on the topic of Kylie Skin, I do want to say something before we actually get started with today's video, and that is, I know I got a lot of requests to do a review of her first drop, which was all her skincare products. And guys, look, I have a pretty good skincare routine going at the moment, so the thought of leaving all of that behind and starting fresh with brand new products scared me, okay? It scared me. So I just want to let you guys know that at the moment I don't have any intentions of reviewing it, but that's not to say that I won't review it in the future. We'll just have to see. So let's go ahead and get started. Now that we've got that taken care of and just out of the way, today's video is going to be all about Kylie Skin Body Summer Collection 2019. I know, I can't believe I tried it, but I did for you guys. So let's go ahead and break it down. But before we do, I do want to mention that all of these products are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, gluten-free, and dermatologist tested. So a couple of things to take a note of is that I will be comparing all of these products to the products that I incorporate in my daily routine, that I use and that I have been using for a long time, and they're also from the drugstore. So another thing that I want to comment on is her shipping, and this is not something that I've only noticed with Kylie Skin. I've also noticed it with Kylie Cosmetics. I don't know why that is, but I feel like it takes forever. Like, I don't understand. So these things I ordered on July 22nd, which I believe is the day that they released, and I didn't receive them until July 30th. So that's 8 days. It may not be a lot for many people, but to me that's a lot because look, I order a lot of stuff online, like from Sephora, from Ulta. Like when I ordered the Dose of Colors foundation that I recently reviewed, like that stuff came so quick. And I'm like, why is Kylie taking 10 years? First on the list is the Coconut Body Scrub. This is what it looks like. It's just white packaging, pink font. I hope you guys can see that. It's the same shade of pink that she uses for everything. I will say I really do appreciate that this comes in a tube and not a tub, because I feel like it's a lot more accessible, a lot less messy. When you're in the shower, you just squeeze it out and are good to go. But this retails for $26 and it only comes with 8 fluid ounces of product. So yes, these are not drugstore prices, guys. But you know what does have a drugstore price is my awesome raw sugar scrub. This is in the raw coconut and mango scent. I love this stuff. I've been using this for about a year. It's from the drugstore. You can get it at Target or Walgreens for $12.99, around there. And it comes with 15 fluid ounces of product. So that's half the price of the Kylie Skin one, and that's twice as much product. Here's what they look like side by side. On the left we have the Kylie Skin one, and on the right we have the raw sugar one. Honestly, they look pretty much the same. I will go ahead and put up the list of ingredients of both of them side by side so you guys can do the comparison for yourself, analyze these products on your own terms. Now let's go ahead and move on to how these products perform next to each other. I will say I picked the day that I was like on the last leg of my self-tan, because the way I know if I like a scrub or not is if it does a good job at removing my self-tan and then leaves my skin feeling just like baby, beautiful, soft skin. So here they are side by side again. On the left we have the Kylie Skin. On the right we have the raw sugar. The Kylie Skin one I feel is not as sugary. Like as I'm rubbing it on my skin and trying to scrub, it gets pretty foamy and I feel like the beads or the sugar quickly sort of disappear. So that ultimately leads me to use a lot more product, and a lot more product on smaller areas, if that makes any sense. Whereas with the raw sugar one, I usually take 1 scoop and that's pretty much enough for my entire leg. I don't really feel like I have to go back for more. I feel like it does the job on the first try. Also, the scent of the Kylie Skin is very light. It doesn't really linger and it's not like annoying. It's not like that type of annoying coconut scent, if you know what I mean. Also, I am not a big coconut scent person. I can tolerate some of them, but others I'm just like, whoa, calm down, okay? So final thoughts of these two products. Honestly, I feel like my legs felt exactly the same after using both of them. I didn't think the Kylie Skin one did anything amazing or different, so I honestly don't think it's worth the $26 when you can get the raw sugar one for half the price and twice as much product. Second on my list is the Kylie Skin Coconut Body Lotion. This is what it looks like. Packaging is pretty much the same, white, pink font. It does have a nice pump, which I appreciate. This retails for $24 and it only comes with 8 fluid ounces of product, so yes, the price tag, yes, I know, guys. But I'm gonna be comparing it to my awesome raw sugar body butter in the pineapple Maqui, is that how you say that word? M-A-Q-U-I, Maqui berry and coconut. This retails for $11.99. You can also get it at Target or Walgreens, and it comes with 7 fluid ounces of product. This stuff smells so freaking good. This one is empty. I just finished it, but I have a brand new one that I also just opened. I've gone through like 2 tubs of this. I love this. So this is a butter, so it is like that thicker consistency, but this is what I use most nights and days to moisturize my skin. So I definitely knew that, like, I know this product, so that's why I am using it to compare it to the Kylie Skin one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put up the list of ingredients on the screen side by side of both of them. So this is the Kylie Skin one. As you can see, it's a pretty light formula. I've already said that, I know, but like I want to ensure that. So if you like thicker lotions, this is probably not the one for you. It's not too thin to where you feel like it's not really hydrating your skin. The scent of the Kylie one is very much the same as the body scrub. It's like that coconut scent, which again, it's not like super in your face. Like, you're not gonna be a walking coconut. It definitely does linger, but it's like on the back end. Like if I walk by, you're not gonna smell it unless like you go up close and personal to my skin. You know what I mean? So now you're gonna see me grab a lot of the raw sugar one. I usually take this much, but it's because obviously I'm doing both legs and the rest of my body. But when I was taking it, I totally forgot that I was only doing one leg. So excuse that, guys. I will say though, a little goes a long way with this. Like, this body butter definitely does last me a while. And I will say, like, I moisturize my body pretty much every night before going to bed. Like, I want to always make sure that my skin is super soft and also really hydrated. So yeah. So is this lotion amazing? Honestly, it's good, but it's not any different than the lotions that you can find at the drugstore for a lot cheaper. So don't waste your $24 on this lotion. Like, obviously I'm gonna use it. I do like it, but I can't sit here and tell you guys like, yeah, this is an amazing lotion that's gonna make you a billionaire like Kylie Jenner. So yeah, let's move on, guys. Last but not least, we have the Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen Oil. So this is the one item out of the whole collection that I actually did not get because I felt like getting this was just going a little too far, okay? But I do love the sun. I love sunny days. I love me some vitamin D. But we're not besties, me and the sun. So I do as much as I can to protect my skin from the sun. I use SPF on my face and my body on a daily basis, even on cloudy days, because guys, just because you don't see the sun don't mean the sun don't see you. So this oil retails for $32 and it comes with 3.9 fluid ounces of product. I will go ahead and put up the ingredients on the screen and some extra information about this oil that I clearly don't have. Just because I don't actually have the product with me and I can't feel it or smell it or touch it, whatever, doesn't mean I can't give you my thoughts on it and give you some recommendations that I think are the same thing from the drugstore, which is a lot more accessible. But yeah, one, I don't want to be spraying my body with an oil on a daily basis. That to me just sounds messy and like a sticky situation. Like that product sounds good for like beach days when you want to look super nice and oily but also be protected from the sun. But like to use on a daily basis, it just doesn't sound like a good idea. 2, it's only SPF 30, which I'm like, for a body sunscreen, I want SPF 50 or up. Like SPF 30, no. Because those freaking sun rays, especially where I live, they're brutal, man. Like, so instead, I want to give you guys some alternative recommendations of sunscreens that are half the price that you can get from your local drugstore and pretty much do the same thing than this so-called sunscreen oil. So let's go ahead and move on to that. First, we have the Sun Bum Original Sunscreen Spray in SPF 50. This comes with 6 fluid ounces and retails for $15.89 at Target. I'm sure you can get it in other places, but I get mine from Target. It's also cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free, oil-free, dermatologist tested. And these are all the ingredients on the screen, so you guys can read through them if you want to. Second, I have the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Lightweight Sunscreen Spray SPF 70. This retails for $8.99 at Target, but I've also seen it at many other drugstores, and it comes with 5 ounces of product. So this one isn't as clean of a product, if you will, as the Sun Bum one, but it is paraben-free, aluminum-free, dye-free, and these are the ingredients up on the screen right now. So that is the inside scoop of Kylie Skin Body Summer Collection 2019. I want to make it clear, guys, that I am not by any means hating on Kylie Skin or Kylie Jenner. I like her. I like her stuff from Kylie Cosmetics. I use a lot of her stuff. You guys have seen me review her stuff, but she's the billionaire, not us as consumers. Maybe some of you are. Let me know if you're a billionaire in the comments below. But I sure am not a billionaire, but I just want to be as honest and raw as possible, because honestly, like, you don't need to go be spending, you know, like your $26 on a body scrub when you can get something that's pretty much the exact same thing at your local Target for half the price. I'm just being honest. Again, I'm not hating, but yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if you've tested out any of these raw sugar products, or if you bought the Kylie Skin Body Collection, if you would repurchase, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Let me know down in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these reviews, then don't forget to subscribe, because it's free and it's a fun time. So until next time, bye guys.